9 p.m. Just started recording. What I learned in a day, what I saw which made me happy, what motivational quotes touched me, analyzing, deciding, and then what to speak about from the list. What we came over in a day can also be thought of, learnt about, have messages in it. If we give a thought that this learning is a blessing, then we will enjoy and we will feel, we will get blessed, we will be touched, our heart will melt, and we will easily know how to speak about, how to interact with other people, how to behave. There is no words required ahead for the others who will point out to say you have never thought us. Things were always here. We have to learn from it. We have to study it, realize it, give practical thoughts, take it practically, give your inputs, act in front of others. You will know that you have learnt new from the same teachings. Your feelings will be different towards taking this ahead, feeling happiness, reaching your inner peace, depth, land. And you will be a changed person. Then you will never have complaints to say about. Nobody taught me. Buddy. Buddy is Hindi word. Got mixed with buddy. Buddy is friend. No buddy. Okay. I was thinking about nobody, but it came out nobody helped me. So buddy here is friend. Buddy here is Hindi word which, as far as I know, buddy is tufan, storm, hurdle, but the statement nobody helped me. No storms, no hurdles taught me. So we can change the statement as even we faced so many things in life. हिंदी में एक कहावत है, वो हिंदी में बताऊंगी कि जब हम हमें कहावत शिव checking why I am stumbling. My videos will have some doorbell rings. So was few pauses when I'm not able to relate if that is some indication message for me. Do I have to check outside? Do I have to check inside? When I take a pause, I don't get any answer in the darkness I am in. That means something comes from outside. So these pauses helps me now daily to scrutinize what answers I'm getting. What is the secret behind few stumbling, few errors? Is I getting signal from the some big galaxy? And you will definitely find few things from my videos. And I feel I'm blessed, but few signals. I am on initial stage, it's been 2 years to understand the signals, why I have pauses, why I have stumblings. I get the answer, but not contented. There is some the fact about this is a known fact. I have to go ahead to understand the answer, but I'm waiting to understand how can I search for the answer in such a pitch dark where I cannot see. I always close my eyes and think about what is scrolling aside me. I can see that I cannot see in the darkness. The darkness inside is such a dark that even stumbling and while speaking I cannot see behind. If I get a flash, if I get a signal or the signs which I'm trying to understand, how I am related to all this, what I'm supposed to understand. So I get the answer that there were sayings that people meet because of the reasons. So there were people, analyst people, who sat and wrote all this, that there is something happening, that we meet because of some reasons. People crossing even your paths, people going side from you, you don't know them, but I monitor them, I look at them, I see the whole crowd. Then I stumble while walking. Then my inner self says that you have to look down while walking. But while speaking, I realized that I always did. I always saw the road while walking. I always saw the path. should be proper, that I should never stumble, I should not fall. But I never saw the people who were going, who crossed, who are seller. I don't see all the people, but my heart is touching that there are few signs that if we see by the ticking of the clock every seconds, see all the people, they have their own stories. I had always felt about it, but I always had a thought while looking down on the road, but I could never see or look into the eyes of people whom I don't know. I cannot see into their eyes because I don't know them. Why should I look at them? The words were, I never had these words. If I clearly had the words that why should I look at the people whom I don't know, I would have really removed such thinking. Today, while speaking and putting the words, those time I used to feel that I should not look, because looking at everybody's face may have some ill effect. Looking at everyone, I never had the courage. I ignored even looking at people while walking so much that even the known person used to cross, they always had complaints, and we can make out. Sometimes I thought that I couldn't see outside also in dark, that I couldn't make out who is coming, because there were many times I used to have thought of the person, but this person, when it comes nearer, oh, this one is some other person. That means when I imagine the person coming is so and so person, no, I am wrong. So this decision, this incidents led me to think it's better that I don't look at people, because I always uh, land up, I don't find much better words, but judging, many of them must be going through this, and we will say we have a eye problem. It may be or it may not be, because I have checked my eyesight, my vision is proper, but sometimes there is some um, which we see in photos, something is blurred which comes ahead, and that makes you to think, हाँ ये वही लग रहा है. एक बार तो हाई भी किया मैंने एक लड़की को, अरे यहाँ पे कैसे मैं उसको हाई कर रही हूँ, और जैसे मैं पास में पहुँची पता चले तो कोई और है. एंड नाउ व्हाट शुड आई डू? एंड that was a time when I was in college, and those phase of my life we didn't had internet, to show how smart we are, how to um, turn such embarrassment in which we are so shocked, shock plus embarrassment at a time, startled, this two at a time, how to handle it. The embarrassment goes away, but the shock takes time. How can I make such mistake? What to do when the picture shown to me by my brain states that this is that person itself? Where am I wrong? But my body start the motion, the activity, and I do start hi, and she's like, then walking, and I'm thinking why she's not waving her hand, why she's not saying hi. That was just in 1 minute span, and then I realized why she's not waving. I may have thought that she looks similar. Shook. She looks similar. But what she must have thought of, that also should have been considered. What she must be thinking, or she must have erased such memory without realizing, oh, I have already met her on the path of my life while I was waiting at the bus stop. She had waved me. This is life. Yeah. The weight is weight. How did I carry it? But there is something going with this also, that someday she will think, yeah, I was standing near Ambedkar College and a girl waved me. Why she was waving? And then I had to continue to show, or like I'm not waving. Then I did, even after walking ahead of her, and then because luckily there was college behind, and I was just waving, and I stopped. Then I felt, let her think what she thinks, but I cannot face the embarrassment. Few things when it happens for the first time, at such phase of life when you have never seen, heard of, not learnt about anywhere, your that moment, what it taught you, what voice came out, your inner voice, how it helped you, how much time you took to come out of the shock. It may not help, but the guide was always there inside through the sound. Why the voice, when we say, which comes from inside, inner voice, is only a sound? Why it doesn't has the healing? It can give you healing through words, but when you have to adjust yourself, you have to adjust your brain. Calm down. First come, then calm. This is learning, self learning. If somebody else says the way has to be so peaceful, should not feel, these are the commandments of life, they should not feel. Always the commandments of life are the commands. No such God gives any commands. Let me tell you. Because I have known God much more higher than anyone. And I can easily talk to Him. He gives the voice. He heals. But He never commands. He removes me from problems, rumble. And I feel so much short of word every time. How to tell everyone I'm so happy that God is so near. I never felt in my life. I always thought, or we never thought, that God is so close. He's on earth. Always saw the sky. Acha, God is somewhere on the 10th sky. But He is such close that He listens. He speaks. He teaches. The errors, He gives the right words. And teaches. Or I learnt, even He being so close, I learn to rise. He's not showing any miracle, otherwise, I would have not taken 2 years. I said I'm still learning. That means He won't show His magic wand. He won't change so that there should not be any wrong people to come and state we have so and so reasons why you're not helping us. You're God for everyone. You always thought and there are people who are good because they have some capability, they have the caliber, but we are wrong because of so and so situation. We are wrong, we tried to change ourselves, but still we ended up being wrong. To justify, to have good morals to everyone, to be a good teacher himself so that he can show that he was a good judge, got was their own result. We always had teaching, we always had good preachers, we always had people around us who are the followers of God, who are gurus. They taught us how much we learned to follow Supreme God, how much efforts we took not to just to show the people. Few of them just show to the people they are the followers of God, but the known fact came that they are something else. Not to speak much about because the judgment lies in the hands of God. If God wanted to command, why these people didn't had any commands? Why the right people have the commands? That means God has never laid any commands. to human. It's only teaching, following, and what you learned will come in your test. So learn thoroughly for the test, which needs your daily hard work, daily study, daily checks, and what we do for actual study, the same thing. So today I learned that people who cross our paths, even while walking on the road, the people around us, just see them. What thought comes to your mind, and whether it crosses or it comes in the straight line, even that I will tell you. Does it says to go straight forward, or whether it puts a cross in your mind? So cross is, what does cross means to you in your mind, what your inner voice says, and what your inner voice says is different what the other's inner voice says. They must have read, heard about, seen. With this great learning, understanding, and delivering right speech, I stop this video here. I will share more great learnings in my next video.